Alrighty, y'all, we're back. Today I'm fishing Silverwood Lake today. Got the kayak. I was here yesterday. I didn't catch nothing, but I saw some fish boiling a lot. It's the fall, so hopefully they're chasing bait and hopefully they're pretty active. The water is kind of like a little warm too still. So hopefully we can get onto a good bite. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get it. How you doing, man? What's up? Not a lot, but enough, Well, I was here yesterday, but I was fishing on the bank. I didn't catch nothing. I didn't even get a bite. But I saw them boiling go down there. Okay. So I was like, you know what? Let me take the kayak out. Yeah. Maybe that might be a little bit different, Yeah. But 6 months ago, man, I used to kill them here. Oh, is that right? Yeah, and back in March, I was doing good. Largemouth? Oh yeah. You fishing with trout? Oh. Trout? You were hitting trout? No, I'm saying you. You catching trout right now? I'm trying for bass. Oh, okay. But all right, man. Tear it up, huh? I'm gonna try to. Right here. Yeah, there is. I haven't caught one yet. I never caught one. I always see people catch them, but I can never catch them. So right now we're fishing Cleghorn. I'm fishing a spy bait right now. Just want to see if I can get something real quick on it. But we might make the move to go to the dam. I haven't fished with the kayak over there yet, but I'm gonna fish this area first, see how it goes. I'm gonna throw the crankbait. Hopefully we can just get bit. Now, the last time y'all saw, I had a different reel on it. Took it off, put this reel on it just for now. I'm gonna be getting another reel soon, but this will do for now. I like to just switch things up around. I don't know why, but see how this goes. Try to lift this crankbait. Look at me going like Alrighty, so it's been over close to 3 hours. Not a single bite. I did see some fish boil here and there, but they're like right along the bank, so it's probably like small fish. But we're gonna make our way to the dam, screw it, we're gonna full send it. So hopefully we can get someone over there. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, we made it over here. There was a lot of water moving. Like the gates are on or something. Man, bro, there has to be stripers. Oh, I thought I had one, man. I really thought I had one. Man. I think it would have been. So, I'm at the. I think this is the bluff wall. My friend was telling me about it. I never been to it. It's like my first time now. But I don't know, guys. Nothing's biting. Like nothing at all. I haven't got a nibble yet. Hopefully maybe on this wall I could probably get one. What's she gonna throw a swim bait on this bank? No, drop shot. Throw a drop shot. Nah. That was a throw. Throw a swim bait. Might be a big one. Hanging along these rocks. That'd be nice if there is one. All right, you guys. I'm gonna wrap it up today. It was a struggle. Fish did not want to bite at all. I didn't get a single bite or nothing. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.